Some words touch your ears. Some words touch your soul. And some words quietly change the direction of your life. Today, I want to give you 5 simple words that can calm your heart, steady your mind, and slowly transform how you live every single day. Most people wake up already tired. Not tired in the body, but tired in the heart. Your eyes open, and stress follows. Thoughts rush in. Responsibilities feel heavy. The future feels uncertain. You carry pressure before the day even begins. If this feels like your life, stay here. This message is for you. Life feels loud. People expect things from you. Problems demand answers. Time moves fast. Somewhere in all this noise, your heart feels lost. You try to stay strong, but inside you feel overwhelmed. You pray, but worry still visits. You trust, but fear still whispers. Change does not always come from big decisions. Sometimes change begins with quiet words you repeat when no one is watching. Words you say when your heart feels weak. Words that remind your soul where safety truly comes from. Every day, your mind listens to your voice more than anyone else. If your inner voice speaks fear, your heart stays restless. If your inner voice speaks trust, your heart finds peace. What you repeat daily becomes what you believe. Allah gave words a deep power. Words can heal. Words can calm. Words can reconnect you to faith when life pulls you away. That is why remembrance matters, not only in pain, but also in ordinary days. Now listen carefully. These 5 words are very simple. They take only a few seconds to say. But when you repeat them daily, they slowly change how you see problems, people, and even yourself. The 5 words are this. Allah is enough for me. Say them slowly in your heart. Allah is enough for me. These words do not promise a life without problems. They promise a heart that feels supported inside problems. They remind you that you are not carrying life alone. They remind you that control belongs to Allah, not to fear. When money worries disturb your sleep, say it. Allah is enough for me. When people leave, disappoint, or misunderstand you, say it. Allah is enough for me. When plans fail and doors close, say it. Allah is enough for me. These words gently move your heart from panic to trust. They shift your focus from what you cannot control to who controls everything. Over time, your reactions change. Your patience grows. Your heart softens. Many people feel behind in life. They compare their journey with others. They feel guilty for not doing enough. These 5 words break that cycle. They remind you that your effort is seen. Your struggle is known. Your timing is protected. There is peace in repetition. When you repeat something daily, your heart starts to believe it. Your breathing slows. Your mind relaxes. Your soul feels lighter. Faith and peace begin to walk together. Say these words when you wake up. Say them before sleep. Say them while walking. Say them when tears appear without reason. Let these words become your shield. After some time, you will notice small changes. You worry less. You trust more. You feel guided even when answers are missing. Your heart feels calmer in situations that once broke you. This is the quiet power of surrender. Surrender is not weakness. Surrender is strength. It means you know your limits and trust Allah beyond them. It means you stop fighting life alone. If you feel broken today, these words still hold you. If you feel strong today, these words protect you. They fit every season of life. Your life begins to change when your inner voice changes. Your peace grows when your heart remembers who is in control. 5 words can do that. Said daily. Said with belief. Allah is enough for me. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs peace today. Like this video. Subscribe for more reminders that strengthen your faith and calm your heart. And always remember, when Allah is enough for you, nothing else is missing.